Hi, my name is Vivian Ta. I'm from James Chen State Farm Agency, and I'm working with Rudy Kusuma's home selling team. I've worked with many real estate agents before, and just based off of the interactions I've had with Rudy's office, I can see that his team just operates differently. And when I mean that they operate differently, it's that it's not an office where they're worried about prospecting or worried about really looking out and finding leads and just closing deals. They're really customer service oriented and customer service focused. All the realtors here, they operate a little bit differently in a way where their biggest accomplishment isn't really gauged by the commission check that they get, but instead by the 5-star reviews and the referrals that comes from just doing a good job and meeting the client's needs. My job here is to better protect your biggest investment, and the way that I do that is through insurance. My background is in liberal studies, so I have a major in teaching, and I use that, I would like to think, in the insurance industry by better educating anybody that really that I meet on what package they're purchasing. And the reason that I do that is that I'm not trying to just sell you a package based off of what I see on the internet, the composition of the home through the internet, and not really meeting the clients and seeing what it really needs and what really what I have to do to satisfy their goals. I love to meet people face to face and really get to know them, see what package I can build that really meets their lifestyle and their lifestyle needs. In addition to that, to better protect your home, I can also save you guys a lot of money by bundling, again, like your auto insurance, life insurance, or any of those other needs as well, because in the end, I'm looking to protect you, your home, your biggest investment. So I'm extremely blessed to have Rudy pick me to be part of one of his partners in his office, for the reason that he's investing a lot of time into me, helping me develop and helping me grow. Again, it gives me so much passion to always find the next new thing that I can do for Rudy's team that gives them those 5-star referrals as well as those 5-star reviews. I'm always constantly trying to find new ways to position myself where I'm bringing something new to the table just for Rudy's team, because I want to be a part of that customer service experience that gets his real estate agents noticed. Again, if you want to reach me, my phone number here is 626-522-1299. My office is multilingual. I have Cantonese, Mandarin, Spanish speakers, as well as we are completely notarized. So if that is a service that you guys need, just let me know. My office is located at 3817 Arden Drive, Unit B in El Monte, California. Or if you would like to meet, we can always meet at Rudy Kusuma's office.